Hey there, McAllister here with Toasty DIY, and today we're going to be looking at and reviewing slash messing with a TENS unit. Right here, if you've not seen a TENS unit, what, Zach, is it like a muscle like stimulator thing? Is that what it's supposed to be? Yeah, okay, thanks. Thanks for that. What's it supposed to be? Like a muscle, like relaxing thing? Muscle stimulation thing. Okay, well, head is on the ball. Well, because I'm afraid of using something like that. I don't want to get electrocuted, shocked, or the like. I'm taking this back, and I'm going to try to find a test dummy in the form of a Zach Sheehy. So let's see if he's willing to help me, and then we can try a few things and see how it works and get an idea. Now, where's my little guinea pig boy? All right, he should be right over yonder. He closed the door. Where'd he go? There he is. Hey, Zach, you want to help me film a video?
Sure.
Cool, you ready to get electrocuted?
I don't know about that one.
Well, I don't know how to use it.
Dude, no, this is a trap, dude.
Look,
If I've ever sniffed out a trap, this is a trap.
Look.
I'm not touching anything. Dude, this is gonna be dude, I'm tripping.
no. I'm saying that like,
Okay.
look what
Like,
it
you
is.
touch
Look
first.
what it is.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's a TENS unit.
All right.
Have you ever
Is
seen
this
these
gonna
before?
shock me if I touch these?
No. As far as I know, you don't get shocked till we use the actual device.
I don't know if this was like a trick.
So let's
box,
go over to
you know
the
what I mean?
futon here and use this as our electrocution station. All right. Well,
No, I don't want.
we have to do this because I need somebody to do it with me.
All right, you have to do two though.
Sure, we were definitely first. So these are the manuals. We're gonna avoid reading them. I'm gonna try to see how far we
Yeah.
can get without reading.
No, I
any of
think
them.
I got it. I think I understand.
Okay, so this is the TENS unit itself right here. So what we've got, I'll stand over here so I can make sure I see it, is it looks like a voice recorder. It looks less like that than, oh, okay. Turn on power, select mode, select setting, and increase your DC. Okay, cool. I heard the highest they got was 5.
Wait, so they've tried this already?
They've done it, yeah, so we know it's safe.
Well,
So
no,
there's
I knew
like
it was gonna
settings
be
on
safe,
there.
but, like, this is the kind of pain that, like, I'd rather eat a hot pepper for.
You'd rather, I know, I would too. I'm very not okay with this.
Yeah.
That's why I
Can we
came
just
back here
delete
for
this
you.
video?
No, I need a DIY video, and if I have to suffer a little bit of pain.
This,
Rock,
I'm
paper,
surprised
scissors.
you
Rock,
wanna
paper,
do
scissors.
this.
I don't at all.
I don't
I have
either.
zero. I have zero interest in this. So rock, paper, scissors. Loser gets shocked first. This
All
is
right.
one time
All right,
on
all right.
shoot.
All right.
God damn.
I won the thing, and I'm not going higher than what they did, but I'm gonna go right to 5.
I'm not doing that.
We're not inching. We're jumping right in the pool, dude. We're not inching.
This
in
is
the
a
water.
review video, not a death video.
Why are we doing it, dude? We're gonna review.
Stop
how
saying
high
why
it
are we
can go.
doing it? You didn't want to do it. You're just
Well, now I want to do it.
Oh, because I won first. Make sure it's still recording. I don't know if I screamed or if I run out of space. Okay, cool.
So yeah,
Don't you fucking touch the TENS unit.
hey.
Okay,
I'm going to at least 5 right off the bat. I don't want you to be like shocked by it.
Well, you're gonna be
'Cause
shocked by it. Okay, you wanna?
Supporting the merch.
I'm gonna put my life in your hand. I know we got the merch. We're merched out here. Merching. My life is in your hand. Do
I'm going-
not put it past 1.
No.
I will hurt you physically. Your life will be over, and my next one will be.
Not if I go to 10, man. I don't think you'll be able to do it.
I will destroy you.
All right.
Please, God.
No, I actually don't know how to work this. So if I hit something, like I don't want to go. I'm going to 1. I'm going to 1. I'm going to 1.
It's 1 is up here.
All right. Oh, I see. Okay. You just gave me the magical pain ability. So I'm gonna shift it to 1. Okay. I think that's what I'm doing. Is that good?
My balls are so
Did I do it?
Oh.
All right. I'm going to 2.
No, the other one. Do the other one to 1.
Oh, okay. Because it should be at like 5 right now.
Oh my God! What the fuck was that?
I didn't mean to do that.
Oh no, you're good.
I actually just
I got
kept moving it.
scared because I wasn't sure what was happening.
So nothing happened.
it was not bad. I was just scared by the fact it suddenly turned
Oh,
on.
okay, you gotta put it back on.
Yeah, no, I'm good for this. So where were you? Where were
I
you?
was at like 4, I think.
We can go together.
Oh, so this is the side that goes for this one.
Oh,
This
okay.
is the side that goes for that one.
We can do it together. We can be electrocuted at the same
All
time.
right.
Let's do
Let's
that.
do it, yeah.
Let's do that. Here, let's get you
Yeah,
set up.
we got
All
we
right.
gotta do it. Next time you ask me to be in a video, can it please be fun and not this?
Dude, this is terrifying to me. But just remember, we're together, brother. We are having a good time until we're not.
No.
Like this is.
Can we give her like?
How does this make you
Can we
feel
give
when I
her
do-
control of it, like behind the camera?
No, God, no.
My hands are so sweaty, dude.
I know, dude. Don't do that to me. Gross. You know what?
Okay, it doesn't. I feel something, but it's not bad.
Okay, we'll put us both.
Oh, why do you get control of it?
Because you had control last
Okay,
time.
that's fair. I can't argue with that. I did.
Nothing's
I did.
gonna hurt you.
It's gonna go. It's gonna go from 0 to
So
100.
here's the thing. They told me what it felt like, and they're right. It feels like TV static in your arm. That is the most
Okay.
accurate answer. I'm gonna.
Number you want.
Oh, I'm feeling it. Yeah. Okay. The TV static. Yeah, I feel it. Oh.
Oh. Ah. Okay, we're on a low. We're on a low. So we're on like 3.5. Are you comfortable with me?
Yeah. Keep going. Keep going. We're gonna get. Oh. Mm.
Oh, God. Oh. All right. If you quit first,
No.
if you quit first, you lose. Are you ready to go another one? Ah!
No. Okay. No. God, that was.
Ah! Okay, I did it a little bit higher just to see what it was.
What was that?
That was 4 out of 10.
Dude, they went up to 5 on stream.
All right, we gotta go to 5.
Oh no, I'm done. I got the footage I need.
Oh my God,
I got
that was so bad.
All right, Zach, what would you rate the experience?
0.
0?
Oh.
Would you
I
do
did my hands by accident.
would you do it again for fun?
No.
My muscle.
What if you think you had like pain or cramps? Would you do it again to like fix them?
No.
If a doctor pulled this out, how would you feel?
I would die. Like really, like just don't do that.
What-
Like,
what- He pulls it out and says to you, all right, we're going to go ahead and start at 7. Like, all right, well, we did it. We survived. We tried the TENS unit. I said I was not going to try it out, so we did good. Well done. Thumbs up. Proof. You consented to this, right?
What?
You consented to this, right?
Yes.
All right, cool.
I'd rather be in a fun video.
Well, next time I'll bring something nicer back. I'm only going to bring painful things for you and I. That's going to be fun.
All right, yeah, we'll just start like a painful.
Painful suit? No, I'm
And
not.
we're the worst at pain too. Out of everybody in the office, we're the worst at it.
Yeah, it seems to be. All right, you want to do the outro?
Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe and like. And I hope to be in the next one that's not as bad as this.
Sounds good. Peace.